In the early 1990s, an attempt at standardization was made by establishing guidelines. The Multimedia Personal Computer Guidelines were established by the Multimedia Marketing Council for multimedia PCs, and 3 levels of standards were released in 1996. But still today, no standards organization has attained enough prominence in the marketplace to really have an impact, and many methods exist for capturing, compression, for storing, and for processing multimedia data. There are many different technologies that are involved in this, so we're going to talk about the technologies, and then we'll talk in more depth about some of the compression standards. So the technologies that are used are MMX by Intel, which stands for Multimedia Expansion or Multimedia Experience, depending on who you ask. It's used in the Pentium Pro, the Pentium 2, and of course the Pentium MMX chips. The architectural enhancements are that it has new instructions, approximately 63 new instructions, and it has new processes and an increased cache. SSE, also by Intel, is used in the Pentium 3 chip, and it further improves the performance for high multimedia software. And AMD, a competitor of Intel, has a program called 3D Now, or a benefit called 3D Now, which is a CPU instruction set that helps AMD processors perform better 3D graphics and multimedia data processing. So devices that use this technology include CD-ROMs, sound cards, digital cameras, video capture cards, and DVD. DVD is probably one of the fastest growing standards for multimedia today. Other technologies that DVD will probably replace are CDR, which stands for CD recordable, which is a CD drive that can record or write data to a CD, but data cannot be erased once it's written. So we can only use that CDR one time. And then CDRW, which is a rewritable CD. The CD drive can record or write data to a CD, and then the data can be erased and overwritten. So CDR and CDRW are drives that are in use today, but DVD will probably replace or generally replace these technologies as well, because DVD has the capability of storing at the date of this recording more than 10 times what a CD can store, or what a CDR or CDRW can store. So when we computerize a real-life thing, like for example sound, it goes through many stages, and we'll talk about what the stages of digitizing are next.